Hey guys, this is Mike from BTech Reviews here, and today we're going to take a look at it and unbox the iPhone 12 mini case by GhostTech. So for those of you who follow me on the channel, I do own an iPhone 12 mini. Haven't upgraded to the iPhone 13 just yet, and so far this has been my daily driver for the past year, or not the past year, but as far as this, when it came out, I've had it since this early this year. So anyways, GhostTech, big shout out to them. They sent me several cases, not just for the iPhone, but they sent me cases for the Pixel A phones that I own. So again, just so you guys can see there, this says R2X Impact Technology, right? I've never really heard of the company, to be honest, but GhostTech sounds pretty cool. So let's try them out. And again, if you can look at the back here really quick. Again, some of these have kickstands. It's got a raised camera lip on here, detailed cutouts, I guess, slim, precise fit. Now, of course, a lot of people will probably be asking if this is MagSafe compatible for people that use the MagSafe cases. I don't see any indication that it is. So for those of you who like that feature for cases, normally, again, I rock a Spigen case, which is a MagSafe case, which helps out because I don't like using lightning connectors anymore. But anywho, let's go ahead and get this unboxing going. Again, big shout out to GhostTech here again for sending this out to me. Again, here's the case itself. Pretty nice and small and precise. You know, it's got a little bit of a rubbery feel on the edges, so not too bad. You can see that kickstands right there. I don't know which way it goes. I guess it goes that way. So it's a clear case. It's kind of dark. It's a little dark on the edges, as you can see here, but let's go ahead and get the case in there. It looks like it's just going to pop right in, or at least I'm hoping so. Let's find out, I guess. Shout out to Initial D. So, not too bad. It's very nice and snug, and as you can see here, I do have the product red iPhone 12, right? So, feels good in the hand. I'm not going to lie, the little edges are a little bit soft to the touch over here. You can see here that, like, the silent button is still accessible, right? Your cutouts for the camera still accessible. Your cutout for the bottom is still accessible. And again, it's meant to protect the phone when you drop it, right? So, if you guys can see here in the front corner of there is a little bit of, of indentation there, right, in the corner. So, like, let's say if you were to drop it flat on its face, you know what I mean, you would have a little more protection than other cases that are out there. So really not too bad. Probably try this out for a day or two. You can see also the top portion does have a little bit of edging that goes from top to bottom. So if you were to drop it like this, it does have that extra layer of protection on the top and the bottom. Again, you can see here that it does have that little kind of ridge in the middle here. And again, you have that little kickstand. So I like the fact that it has a kickstand, because again, if I'm eating lunch at work and I'm watching TV or something like that, or I can put on a YouTube video or something to that extent, or put on the NFL app, etc. So again, big shout out to GhostTech again for sending this out. You know what I mean? Again, they didn't have to send this out right to me, but they contacted me on YouTube channel, so I want to give them a shout out here. And again, it says thank you for your purchase, agent, right? So there's just information there. Again, you can follow them at GhostTech_products, just their handle. So if you guys want to look at that there, you can check that out. I will go ahead and post up an affiliate link down in the description down below, so you guys can check that out as well. Amazon affiliate, so just so you guys know, I am an Amazon affiliate, and anything purchased from those links, I do get a small kickback from that. So again, it really helps out the channel, and it helps me as a content creator continue to purchase more items that I can review for you guys. So again, big shout out to GhostTech again. Thanks again for watching. This is Mike from BTech Reviews signing off. We'll see you guys next time.